The stitches used in this video include the single crochet, triple crochet, slip stitch, magic circle, and a chain stitch. We're going to make a simple and somewhat easy to make star. We're going to start with a magic circle. If you're unsure about making the magic circle, check out our shorts on making a magic circle. And then inside of our magic circle, we're going to make 5 single crochets. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 single crochets in our magic circle. Then we're going to pull our tail to put our magic circle together. For our next row, we're going to do an increase in each of the stitches. So here we're going to do our first single crochet in this first stitch. We're going to add our stitch marker, and then we're going back into that same stitch for another single crochet, and that will make an increase. And then we're going to continue to make these increases in each of the stitches. And here we're on our 5th set of increases as this blob of yarn attacks us. And once we're done with our 10 single crochets all the way around, we're going to move on to our next row. I'm going to tighten this circle just a little bit more. For our next row, we're going to work on the star points. We're going to start in this first stitch here, and we're going to make a single crochet. And in the same stitch, we're going to make a triple crochet. So we're going to yarn over twice, then insert in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through another 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. And then we're going to do a chain 1. And then after that, we're going to make 2 slip stitches in this triple crochet. So if you can see here, you can see the 2 loops here. There's 1 loop, 2 loops, and then another 2 loops at the bottom here. So we're going to go into this first set of 2 loops. And then we're going to yarn over, pull through, and then pull through to make a slip stitch. And then we're going to go into these bottom loops here. There's 1 loop, 2 loops. Then we're going to yarn over, pull through, and then make a slip stitch. You can see our point forming here, and then in this next stitch we're going to make another slip stitch. And now we're done with our first point of the star. Again, we're going to start in this next stitch to make the point. We're going to start with a single crochet, then to a triple crochet in that same stitch, then a chain on top, and then we're going to go through the loops here on the triple crochet. There's 1 loop on the top here, and then the second loop we're going to put our hook through there, yarn over, pull through, and then make a slip stitch. And then on the bottom here, we're going to have 1 loop and then 2 loops. And we're going to yarn over, pull through, and then pull through to make a slip stitch. And then in that next stitch over, we're going to make another slip stitch, making our point. Then we're going to start another point with a single crochet, then a triple crochet in that same stitch, and then a chain 1 on top, and then we're going to find those 2 stitches in our triple crochet. So here's the loops on that first one, yarn over, pull through, and make a slip stitch. And then on the bottom here, you're going to find the 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and make another slip stitch, and then a slip stitch in the following crochet. So a single crochet, triple crochet in the same stitch, chain on top, and go through 2 loops on that top of the triple crochet, make a slip stitch, then on the bottom of that triple crochet, go through those 2 loops, yarn over, pull through, and then make a slip stitch, and in the following stitch make another slip stitch. Then we're on our final point here. We're going to do a single crochet to a triple crochet in that same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2 loops and the last 2 loops, and then a single chain on top. Then we're going to go through the 2 loops on the top of that triple crochet, yarn over, pull through, make a slip stitch, and then on the bottom of the triple crochet, go through those 2 loops, so let me try that again, yarn over, pull through, and make a slip stitch, and then here we're going to go into that next to the next stitch and make a slip stitch, and that's our final slip stitch. And then we're going to cut our yarn, pull it through, and then we're going to get our darning needle, and then we're going to pull it to the back and go through one of the stitches here on top. Just gonna weave it through there, and then we're just going to tie these 2 tails together. And then cut the tails. And then we're finished with our star. And you can make stars made out of different types of yarn. Here we're actually using cord that's kind of shiny. This is a gold star. And here we made a silver star, again with cord. This is 1.5 millimeter cord. We can use these on our amigurumi or whatever you want to put it on. Here I added a gold star and a silver star to this Hello Kitty amigurumi that I'm working on. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please hit that thumbs up button to like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Also, hit that bell to receive notifications on when we release our new videos. The next one should be the Hello Kitty that you saw at the end, which could be used as a tree topper.